Alrighty, on today's episode, we are making a brunch-worthy dessert. And that is some brown sugar pound cake with a twist today. Because I made one yesterday, as you can see, ate half of it with the standard recipe I had. Today we're going to add a little brown sugar bourbon seasoning to it. See how that kicks it up a notch. So first things first. Almost always your first thing first doing this. Cream together your butter and your sugar. Let her rip. Okay, once our butter and sugar is light and fluffy, you can see the light and fluffiness, we're gonna add our eggs, one egg at a time. You ain't gotta get crazy with it, just wait for a second, add the next one. Maybe scoop your sides down. Add the next one. Looking good to me. Add that one. Once you're happy with your eggs incorporated, we're going to throw in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're also going to throw in 1 tablespoon of our brown sugar bourbon. Hopefully this kicks it up a notch. Not that it needs kicked up, but I like to experiment. So here we go. We'll let that run. Now we're going to get a bowl out. Take all of our flour. Get yourself a teaspoon of baking powder and just a pinch of sea salt, coarse, because salt makes everything taste better, even salt. Salt makes salt taste better. Get that mixed up a little. Good enough. Turn the old blender back on. And we're going to slowly add this until it's all good and battery. You ain't gonna go too slow. Good enough. Maybe scrape the side real quick. And that's all she wrote. Get all your batter out of there. Get your pre-greased and floured baking pan. And apply your batter. That's all she wrote. Obviously, except for the cooking part, which we got the oven preheating to 350. And once it gets preheated, we're going to throw her in there for an hour. All right, we're at 350. Get in there, you little rascal. See you in an hour. Look, there's Popey, the new addition. Now watch out, Popey, because we gotta get this out of the oven. Out of the oven, onto the cooling rack. Say bye to Pope. And we'll be back when it cools. Alrighty, final results are in. She's cooled off sufficiently. We're gonna get her out. Ooh, that's a beautiful sight. Now for the real test. Cut open, get a gander. Looks beautiful to me. Now the bite test. We'll get a few pieces cut. For visual representations. Sure does look good. Alrighty, taste tester time, and I'm gonna get a piece from the middle. Oh, look at that. Better get another bite. I'm doing a comparison between the one I made yesterday, because that little addition I put in today. And I'm not really sure I can tell the difference. But I will tell you what, that's gunpowder. Brown sugar, pound cake. With this was the addition of the brown sugar seasoning, brown sugar bourbon seasoning. Maybe I should have added more. Let's see what Pope thinks. Pope, hey boy, come here. Come here. Come here, Popey. Come here. You want to see what this bread tastes like or smells like? Come here. Come here, Popey. See if Pope approves. Oh, yeah. Oh, geez, that's a big bite there, buddy. Do you approve? I think that's an approval. Look at that. Okay, you can't have that whole piece, buddy. That's as big as your head. Okay, that's it. So that was Pope approved pound cake. So we'll see you next time. We'll see you next time.